Hi friends, in this video I am just going to fix the no signal issue on your 4K TV if you are using PS4 Slim console. If you connect a PS4 Slim console on 4K TV, you might be facing no signal issue. So that's what I am going to fix it. If there is no display on your screen, just go to power. First we need to shut down this. You need to complete shutdown. Check with another TV to shut down your PS4 Slim, or you need to directly power off. Okay. Once completely turned off your PS4 Slim console, if you want to use this PS4 DualShock controller on safe mode on your PS4 Slim or PS4 Pro, we need to connect this USB wire. So already I have connected it. Now I am going to put this PS4 Slim on safe mode. For that, right, you need to press this power button. You should hear two beep sound. So first beep, until right second beep, you need to hold this power button. So I am going to press this. I am pressing and holding. One beep sound came, and I am waiting for another beep sound. Holding that. Okay, second beep also came, and now I need to check the screen. So now it is in safe mode. Connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable. Already I have connected it, and then press the PS button. So pressing PS button, so you can see the safe mode options. So I need to choose the second one because that is change resolution. So I need to change the resolution according to my 4K TV. So select it and press this enter button. The PS4 will restart. After it is restarted, select the video output resolution. So I need to give OK. It's restarting. So by default, right, 480 pixels, that is the lowest resolutions. So which is by default it is selected after restarting. So now I can change the resolution. Here, right, press the PS button to use the controller. So I am pressing this PS button. Then it will be enabled. Now I can use this up arrow or down arrow to select the resolutions. Now you can choose that whatever you want. You can choose 1080 pixel or 720 pixel. For example, now I am going to select the 720 pixel. So it's coming with the 720 pixel. Now it's working fine. So there is no signal issue. And I can change the resolution now on settings as well. So go to settings. Here, right, sound and screen. Under video output settings, now you can change the resolutions. You can choose automatic as well. So now by default it's at 1080 pixel. So that's it friends. This is the way you can fix this PS4 Slim and 4K TV no signal issue. That's it friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks on my uniforms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.